Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. Here's all the places you can find me on social media. This is the March 2020 Birchbox. The theme is, it's about time. And you know what? I think it's about time we talk about the products. So, Birchbox, March 2020. Birchbox tip 171. A daily facial massage promotes circulation and skin elasticity. Aww. Aww. Massage. I could really go for any massage right now. Hashtag quarantine life. Okay, so we have the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. It's a 10-in-1 leave-in treatment, and it's for your hair. A CC cream for your hair? I've never heard of that. Oh, look at that. It matches my shirt too. Interesting. Then we have Beautycounter, which is clean beauty. Number 2, plumping facial oil. It's so tiny. Wow, it's tiny. And a full-size bottle is like $70. So it's a silky face oil. I like to take a face oil and put it under my primer before my foundation. So after my moisturizer, then I put a little facial, but it's got a subtle floral scent. There we go. Okay, then we have Floss Beauty. It's a lip gloss. It's called My New Favorite Lip Gloss. It's a non-glittery, non-sticky clear. Non-sticky, right there. You ever noticed how clear ones are just always so sticky? I mean, don't get me wrong. I love MAC lip gloss like you would not believe. And then they're also drying. This claims to be hydrating, long-lasting, and super comfortable. Nice. Yeah, there we go. I do like that. Then we have, oh, I love these. Oh my God, I love these so much. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Original. Okay, spot dots are my best friend. Like, see this? Tonight, it gets one of these. It gets one of these because literally you can put this on a blemish and wake up. I have my favorites. We'll see if this matches my favorites, but I got my favorites. And we have Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek in a Rendezvous. So it's a multi-purpose. It is not just a lip or a cheek. Ah. There we go. I always forget to unseal packages before I film these videos. And now I can't get it open. And this is why I should open things first. Okay, so this little cheek color. There we go. There we go. Or you can put it on the lips. Put it on top of that lip, that clear. Nice. Then finally, Aero Radiant Skin Moisturizer. Aero changed their packaging. It used to be like neon green and black and white, and now it is purple and navy blue. So this is supposed to be a lightweight moisturizer with a subtle sheen. Just my luck, I'm out of moisturizer. Perfect timing. So that is March. A Birchbox. This is where to follow me. Until next time, stay beautiful.